Ayun good morning mga bike buddies. Kumusta kayo dyan? Punta tayo ngayon dito sa Emerald Avenue dito sa Ortigas para sa isang malupit na car-free Saturdays. Let's go! So dito sa Emerald Avenue, pag Saturday, dito tayo nagbibisikleta, dito tayo nagre-review ng bikes. But today is another happy Saturday. Ang saya. A lot of people biking, a lot of people jogging, bringing their dogs out. And more importantly, families hanging out together, enjoying, and cycling, see babies walking, people jogging. Yan. Tapos dito rin yung mga Zumba. Kids are out, families are out. And finally, it's back. So doon tayo papunta. Nagbabalik ang weekend food market dito sa Emerald Avenue, Ortigas, Pasig City. Let's go! Sa mga nagtatanong, ano bang meron dito sa Eat Street Food Market sa Emerald Avenue? Lahat ng gusto ninyong kainin at inumin, andito na. You have your usual inihaw items. Andyan din ang ating mga paboritong ulam, mga dinuguan, kaldereta, menudo, mechado, asado, adobo. Every single ulam that you can think of, andito rin. You can also buy your fresh produce here, fruits and vegetables. Napakasaya. Meron din tayong wet market, no? So, kung gusto nyo ng mga sugpo, mga isda na sariwa, andito rin yan. Meron pa nga ako nakitang mga unlaid chicken eggs. You have your usual Korean, tteokbokki, and all of these good things. Kung nagkikrave ka naman ng Vietnamese, meron din dito. This particular stall, binabalik-balikan namin to ni Sirsha kasi the lady is really nice. Tinuturuan pa niya ang kids kung paano mag-prepare ng banh mi, ng soup. So she's very accommodating. She's actually a cook and a teacher, no? So tinuturuan niya yung mga bata kung paano magluto. So if you're ever in the area, swing by and say hi, bring your kids, and matututo silang mag-prepare ng banh mi the proper way. Samut-saring international cuisine ang meron dito. Japanese pancake, balls ng hapon, takoyaki horn, pizza, pasta, at kung ano-ano pa. Meron din tayong oysters dito kung gusto nyo nun. Cheesy oysters. Meron ding biryani dito eh. So, legit biryani na stall. Napakabango, napakasarap. Shawarma. For the meat-loving carnivore naman, andyan ang usual inihaw stuff, barbecue, Betamax, balon-balunan, bituka ng baboy, bituka ng manok, bituka ng tao. Yun, basta ganoon. Sa mga vegan, meron ding option dito, longganisa. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang bagnet. You know, kita nyo naman, bike buddies, Marso pa lang, Pasko na. Bibingka at puto bongbong. Ortigas lang ang malakas. Pasko na yarn? March pa lang. Meron din tayong lechon. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yan sa bawat okasyon. Lechon! Kung naniniwala ka sa juice, ayan, maraming juice dito. Fresh juices. So many choices, no? Cucumber, watermelon, mango, lahat ng maisip nyong juice ay nandito. And ito, one of the more popular ones na recently ko lang nakita na nagte-trending. You got your fruits na covered in sugar syrup na alam ng anak ko for some reason at ako ngayon ko lang nakita. Pero apparently this is trending these days and looks good. For the sweet tooth naman, sa mga mahilig sa asukal, andyan din ang various desserts. So you got your cookies, brownies. For the coffee aficionados naman, hindi rin kayo mabibitin dahil napakaraming choices for your coffee fix. Doon naman sa mga hilig sa putok-batok, marami rin tayong options dyan. Kita nyo naman, 7 a.m. pa lang, chicharon bulaklak. Why not? Diba? Sabayan nyo pa ng peanuts. Bili kayo ng onting alak. Yan. Complete set for pulutan needs and family needs. Hindi rin mawawala ang inyong cakes and pastries. Meron din, Bike Buddies. Isa pang popular stall dito ay yung rice, hot dog, and eggs. Ayan. Pinipilahan din to ng malupit, Bike Buddies. So sa mga mahihilig sa malalaking sausage, na may kasamang kanin, at itlog, yes! Andito pa rin sila, guys. Masarap. Napakaganda rin ang ginawa nila dito sa Eat Street, no? Lahat ng mga tents nila bago. Lahat ng mga tables and chairs malinis. You have your cleaning staff wearing green. Napakaraming trash bin na maayos. Pagkatapos kumain ng mga tao, pinapalitan nila agad ang mga lamesa, nililinis to make sure na everything is clean. Kumain din kami ni Sirsha kanina. Nakakatuwa kasi walang mga langaw at all. As in, wala. Panatag din ang loob mo when you eat here because it is heavily guarded. Naks. There are security personnel around na napakabait, very accommodating, matitikas, on their toes, and doing their job. Talaga naglalakad, always on the lookout for anything or anything out of the ordinary. Nakakatuwa. Yung Eat Street is open from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. until further notice. So apparently today is the first day they relaunched it. So nakakatuwa. It's nice to see that it's back. It's also good to note that it is pet friendly, no? So you can bring your dogs, your cat, your alligator, your bird. Yun, basta dalahin yung pets ninyo. Make sure lang na naka-diaper sila. At ito na nga. So, dito pa rin tayo sa Emerald Avenue or what they call FJ Ortigas. Nandito pa rin ang weekend bike rental Saturdays and Sundays. So, it's nice also na it's back, guys. Ang ating sariling Eat Street. Guys, head on over dito sa Ortigas. Bring your bike buddies, pajak, ahon dyan sa Ultra, tapos punta dito para lumamon. I hope you guys enjoyed the short walkthrough dito sa Eat Street Food Market dito sa Emerald Avenue. Laging tatandaan, pag gusto mo, padyakan mo, tapos lamon muna. Alright, kita-kits!